GoPro, I'm in awe. Should I wear this hat? Or should I wear this hat? Or should I chuck on the GoPro shirt? Let's put them all on. Ready? How's that? Perhaps 2 hats is too many. Let's just pop one off there. Okay. So guys, thank you so much. Oh, hold on. I'm 30 now, I can't have my hat sideways. So shout out to Nick, the CEO of GoPro, for putting this on. Amazing, amazing opportunity. To all of my followers, my subscribers on YouTube, to my wife for putting up with all the filming, and to GoPro for creating an amazing camera that has pretty much no limits. This will not be the end of my adventures. You can look forward to more adventures in Flying Dave. He's gonna go all over the world, or maybe just Bali and Australia, but he's gonna go amazing all of these other places. Crushing it, I'm having a great time, and this is the GoPro, this is Flying Dave, this is amazing, that was the $1 Million Challenge, and we crushed it. Sick.